I'm Stavros and welcome to our channel Timeshort. In today's video we're going to do a maintenance on this bike, which is a Honda Astrea Grand 100cc. We're going to change the oil on the engine, we're going to change the rubber on the back wheel, and as well we're going to change the braking shoe on the back wheel. So let's go with this and see what's going to happen.
First thing to do is to remove the oil from the engine. By doing that, we can do other things at the same time. Here you can see I'm removing the pin from the back axle. Now I'm removing the back axle and I'm losing the rear braking system. The engine is dry now, so it's time to pour in the new oil. I'm taking off the back wheel, the back braking shoe and the back drum rubbers. I'm cleaning everything and inspecting them for faults. As you can see, the fourth back drum rubber was starting to have problem. Now it's time to install the new back drum rubber and back braking shoe. Make sure that the drum rubbers are well installed and the springs of the braking shoe are well connected. Here I'm adjusting the tension of the chain. We don't want it too loose or too tight. I'm installing the back wheel, and now I'm making sure that the back braking system is secure. Then I'm gonna push the back axle through the back wheel to secure it. Here I'm making some adjustment to the braking system, and then make sure that it's working correctly. Don't forget to add some oil to your chain.
Thank you all for watching this video. Leave a comment down below, I want to hear your opinion. Don't forget, you can find as well down in the description below how to change the front brake system and as well our previous maintenance service on the bike. Share this video if you like it, subscribe with us for more videos that are coming up. Support us on Patreon. Thank you and have a wonderful day.